We've been talking about the shortage in the building trades with our Generation Next initiative for about 5 years. But here in Media, Pennsylvania, there is a unique school that has been doing their part for over 130. Williamson College of the Trades takes young men from difficult backgrounds and it gives them an education, teaches them a trade, and sends them out into the workforce with multiple job offers and no debt.
The school was founded in 1888 by Mr. Williamson when he saw young men on the streets in Philadelphia, that didn't have any direction, any purpose in life. And so he said, I want to found this school and I want to make it free to those that go. I want them to be able to learn a trade, get an education. Moral and religious development and growth is part of that, and athletics and recreation to become a useful, respected member of society.
And so why only men?
I believe that single-sex environment, that all-male environment, really helps our guys be successful. That brotherhood, that camaraderie, just the confidence that they develop.
When I see the guys line up for the flag raising in the morning and they got their jackets and their ties on, it fools you a little bit into thinking that they've got everything they need. A lot of them come here and don't have anything they need.
That's right. We recognize that most of the young guys coming here do not own a coat and tie, and we tell them don't go out and try to buy something like that, because when you come here, that is our standard, coat and tie. At morning lineup, at meals, in academic classes. But we have great people that donate all that stuff, and so young man can come in, and take whatever they need out of the clothes closet so that they can meet the standard.
What's the academic program like here?
We have math, we have English, we have science, we have all of the college courses that any other college would have, but all of those courses are specific to the different trade area. So for example, our power plant students would get lots of calculus, and then our horticulture or landscape management students, they would actually get more geometry and things of that nature, because they need that information in order to actually go out and do design work for landscape and construction management.
As part of the school's leader development program, seniors and freshmen are paired together to better learn how to run a job site and work as a team.
Each senior runs a small crew on campus. We each take care of our own areas. So I take care of all the trees on campus, so I'll run the tree crew. When I was a freshman, came in, a lot to learn. Still a lot to learn as a senior. There's always stuff to learn, but know a lot more now and have the ability to kind of pass along that knowledge to people that come below us.
Hey Ray, good to see you.
Kevin, how you doing?
Doing all right.
Doing great.
So what do we got going on here? What's this project?
So we got 4 freshmen right now, just working on repointing the surface of the brick of the building.
You're a senior?
Yes, sir.
So you the foreman?
I am. I'm the foreman for the week.
How's that feel, running the crew?
It's challenging, but it's fun, because I hold that responsibility that I never really expected myself to hold.
Yeah.
And once it's done, you step back. Like I ran that crew. It's great. Recently, I just signed a contract, so I'll be moving down to Virginia once I graduate from Williamson.
So you've already got a job?
Already got a job.
And you got no debt?
No debt.
How does that feel?
It's unbelievable. I told my family, my girlfriend this, and they were really happy. Like the hardest part was deciding what company to pick. I didn't know I was going to come across that, that decision.
Each year, Williamson puts on a career fair for its juniors and seniors.
We average about 75 graduates a year, and in a normal year prior to COVID, we had 198 companies from 20 states. They pay money to come here, and the only thing they're promised is that they get an opportunity to interview the students and compete to hire them.
I have 3 job offers and just trying to make a decision now.
We tell every kid that comes here, nobody is asking to pay back the almost $100,000 it costs to put you through 3 years of this. But the one thing that you do owe us is whatever company you sign on with should be back here next year saying, I need 10 more guys like Kevin. He's the best guy I got, and I need more guys like that. And if you do that, you've upheld your responsibility, because those opportunities will be available for the rest of the Williamson guys that come through the pipeline.
I'm closer to guys here than I am to guys that I knew for years, if that makes sense. Freshmen, juniors, seniors, it doesn't matter. I feel like they all have my back.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.